uniform.
Kailan?
No.
Tomorrow? Ay. Puta, hindi natingin.
Oh my God. Stop.
Thank you.
No, bro. Naman classes.
Normal classes?
Yep.
Sino may sabi?
Later, I don't have classes today. Yay!
But tomorrow you have.
No, I don't have them.
Anong car yan? Ayan yung black.
I don't know.
Ayan o. Ayan. That is what?
Jazz.
Jess?
Yeah. Or Jasmine or Teacher Jazz.
Kanina ka pa nandun? Nandiyan lang ako sa parking eh. Wala ka, hindi kita makita.
You see. Why you have a glasses?
Hindi na ako makita malabo na mata ni Daddy Jem. I'm getting old, say then.
Me too, I not get.
I cannot read this anymore.
I read that. You're gonna read that, you know.
Ano ang bagay ba sa akin? Tingnan mo nga. Ano yung tsura ng Daddy?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Just good? Not handsome?
So handsome.
Look at me. Oh.
Really handsome.
Handsome? Oh, saan na tayo?
Steady. Uh-oh. Congratulations.
Basahin mo yan, mga yan.
Congratulations. No parking. Don't go there. It's no parking. 5 star.
Wow.
Bro, that's so yummy.
That's so yummy.
Yep.
Our food today is more yummy.
What? Why is the chicken so spinny at the machine?
Spinning?
Yep. Why, Daddy?
It's a barbecue. Chicken barbecue, you have to do like this.
But I eat the barbecue only. It's healthy. Healthy. Secret food or baho food. Remember, Daddy, we go to markets and we see a stinky. And there's a fish.
Daming fish sa market.
Yeah. And there's a...
Yan, ano ba yan?
Whoa.
Ito, ayan o. It's a truck, ayan o. That one. Ayun.
Oh, excavator or escalator or elevator. Elevator's coming to dig. Oh, what happened?
They're digging.
The water? Oh, maybe a soil? Digging. Yes, it.
Dami yun sa bagay.
Bye-bye. Congratulations. And then, what's next? Daddy bro? Bro, students are here. Why? Congratulations. There's so many congratulations. Daddy, there's a students in here. That's so secrets. Daddy.
Oh.
There's a secret student in there. Look.
Ang ano?
What?
Ang ano?
Where's mommy?
Doon pa. I will call your mom. Wait.
Wait for me.
Vlog ka muna.
What's up, guys? Morning, student. I'm in the malamig in the cold car snow.
Ha? Ano?
Cold car snow.
Snow?
Yeah, it's a snow car. And there's a spider.
Serious face nga. Say that. Serious face.
Wait, I'm still happy. Oops. I'm still happy.
Oh, serious.
Wait, I'm still happy.